How to get stuff with the latest BTD6 promo code or Bloons TD6 promo codes. So I can show you guys on how you will be getting only two specific codes, but in that two codes, you will be getting a lot of stuff in it. So what you want to do is just access or open up any preferred web browser that you can use on your end, and then just simply type in BTD6 coupon codes. Now you'll be seeing a lot of results right here, but we will be only choosing one that is currently or is 100% working. So scroll down a bit and then choose on the link that will redirect you to destructoid.com. So in this specific site right here, Destructoid is actually giving us out two specific codes that we can use as of 2025. Now you just have to scroll down and then head to all Bloons TD6 codes list. So as you can see, they are giving us out two specific activated codes that we can use, and then below it are the codes that has already been expired. So use this on BTD6 and you should be able to have an advantage with these. So that's how you get the latest stuff on BTD6 promo codes.